Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today Invesco CurrencyShares Euro Trust just filed an 8K announcing a key departure, and I am watching one implication closely. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. This filing points to a leadership change at the fund sponsor, and for holders of FXE, it's important to understand what this means. This is a Form 8K, which is like a company's public diary for significant events. Think of it as a heads up to investors about something that just happened that could move the stock. The earliest event reported here happened on the 4th of June, 2026. The company we are looking at is the Invesco CurrencyShares Euro Trust, and you might know their ticker symbol FXE. This trust basically tracks the performance of the euro currency. This is what is registered on the stock exchange, their common units, and they are listed on the NYSE Arca exchange. This section is all about changes in the company's leadership, like when somebody important leaves or joins. So here is the main news. Mr. Jordan Krugman is stepping down from his roles at Invesco Specialized Products, which is the company that sponsors this Euro Trust. This includes his board position. His last day will be the 3rd of August, 2026. This isn't just him quitting his job, it is a pretty significant exit from the entity that manages the trust. They are actively looking for someone to fill his shoes. Now, the big question for anyone holding FXE is, what does this mean? A change like this, especially from a sponsored trust, can sometimes lead to shifts in strategy or management focus. We'll have to watch closely to see who they bring in, and if there are any changes in how the trust is managed or promoted. It is like when a key quarterback leaves a team. You want to know who the new quarterback is and if they can run the plays effectively. This is the trust itself, and this is the sponsor Invesco Specialized Products signing off on the report. The report was signed on the 5th of June, the day after the resignation notice. And this is being signed off by Adam Henkel, who is the head of legal for us ETFs at Invesco. This is a standard procedure for these types of filings. Looking at external context, FXE has been trading in a pretty tight range lately, with its 52-week high around $111.54 and low near $104.99. Recent news mentions the euro's strength and strategic analysis, as well as some older headlines about the dollar. This departure from Mr. Krugman, while not directly tied to currency performance in this filing, could impact how the trust is perceived and managed going forward. For followers of FXE, the key will be the announcement of his successor and any potential changes in investment approach or market communication that might follow. Until then, it is a waiting game to see who takes the helm and what their vision is for the Invesco CurrencyShares Euro Trust. That is my take. Stay decoded if you found this breakdown helpful. Hit like, subscribe for more, and join our Discord community linked in the description.